Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Lenovo IdeaCentre 3, small slim desktop computer for daily use, and why you should choose, because it consists of the following features. High-speed RAM and enormous space. 16GB DDR4 RAM to smoothly run multiple applications and browser tabs all at once. 1TB PCIe M.2 SSD allows to fast boot up and data transfer. Processor. Intel Celeron G6900, 2 cores, 2 threads, 4 megabit L3 cache, 3.4 GHz stable frequency, with Intel UHD graphics. Tech specs. Front ports, 1x power on, 1x card reader, 1x microphone, 1x headphone, microphone combo jack, 1x USB 3.2 Generation 1 Type-C, 2x USB 3.2 Generation 1 Type-A. Rear ports, 1x HDMI 1.4b, 1x Ethernet, RJ45, 1x VGA, 2x USB 2.0, 2x USB 3.2 Generation 1 Type-A, 1x power connector, wired keyboard and mouse, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi 6. Operating system. Windows 11 Home, beautiful, more consistent new design, great window layout options, better multi-monitor functionality, improved performance features, new video game selection and capabilities. Compatible with Android apps. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.